Welcome to Totally Cool, Totally Art Video Art Lessons. My name is Clint, and I'm going to be taking through a project today called 20 Circles. Basically, we're going to take 20 circles, flat circles, and make them into a 3D circle or ball. It's a fun project. It's something you can do at home with some easy materials, and I think you'll get a kick out of it. Every time I make one, I just get excited about it. So let's get to it here. Alright, well let's get into it. The first thing we're going to do is that we are going to make some circles. Pretty easy. And I did that 20 times. Now I've taken the liberty of cutting out 20 circles, so I have mine pre-cut right here. The next thing we are going to do is we're going to create an equilateral triangle. Now, an equilateral triangle is a triangle that has 60 degrees on each side. That is kind of the magic of this whole project. So what I've done is I made one of those. I made it out of a piece of cardboard, and then I went inside of my cutout pieces of paper, put that triangle in there, made that shape. And you can see what that looks like. It's something like this. Fish right in there like that. Trace that on all your circles. What you're going to want to do is you want to fold along the edges of all these triangles. The beauty of this project is you can scale it up so big. And this is a big circle. You're going to take 10 circles and put them together. And this is going to create the middle section of our sphere. You can kind of see it's going to look like that. And then you're also going to do 2 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what you're going to want to do is connect those circles just like that. Together like that. You're going to. Another thing that I've done, and the reason I have that stapler here, it does kind of goes quicker. With a stapler, I'm just going to put 2 staples right pretty close to the edge. And if you do the stapler, you probably don't need the glue. I like the glue, but it depends on you. So again, this is our 10 right here. And this probably is the trickiest part, because it's a little bit different. Put 3 in a row, then you put one here and one here. I'm going to just make another one of these. Do that to this one also. So, those 20 circles, this is 10. And you connect these together. And you're going to connect those. So now you have the middle shape, or the kind of the core, and these tops. The next thing you're going to do, one by one, you're going to, right along that line again, you're just going to add one right, 2 staples. Cool. Now look at that. That's kind of a dome, which is pretty cool. This project, I'm calling it a sculpture, but it could be applied to architecture as well as other things. It's just kind of fun to make. And I'm just going to add this other side. And there you have it, or your circle. It's pretty cool. Now, as you can see, I've done a few other ones, like with the construction paper, it's really fun. And you get different colors. I really do think that taking some time to decorate each circle can really add a lot of fun and cool design elements to your sphere at the end. And you can scale it up. Whatever size you decide to make your circle at the beginning is how big your overall dome will be in the end. And they're really strong. Just out of paper, they get really strong. Thank you so much for making some art with me, making some cool sculpture. I can't wait to see what yours look like, and hope to see you again here at Totally Cool Totally Art Video Art Lessons. These are brand new for us because we are kind of in the quarantine, the coronavirus days. It's 2020, so we can't go out to classes right now, so we're teaching from home. It's kind of a new thing, but we're all learning together. Be safe and be well. Someone that you might be interested in, who's kind of taken this idea of a dome, is Richard Buckminster Fuller. In the 1940s, 1950s, a place called Black Mountain College he taught, and he really used the triangles to start an architectural revolution, per se. He made these things called geodesic domes, and kind of a brand new design that no one was thinking of, just using these triangles. Very cool stuff. So if you ever want to look up a little bit more about an artist that used these simple ideas to make some really cool architectural things, Richard Buckminster Fuller is a really cool guy.